Welcome to my channel Z Tech. Today I am going to show how you can download and install Mozilla Firefox without any mistake or error. So just simply go to desired browser that you love to use. Simply type Mozilla Firefox download. I will tell you it as offline so you cannot find any problem. Here you can simply click on download for PC. Yes, then you can see the first link is for Mozilla Firefox. We ignore it and go to the Softonic Mozilla Firefox. It is the best link that I have ever used, so I request you to use that. You can simply click on Mozilla Firefox version that they latestly provide. Download free download for PC. Click on it. Your downloading will be start and you have to read the line below. No thanks, continue to download Mozilla Firefox. Basically it provides some other softwares with it. We don't want it, so just can click on it. Simply no thanks, and your downloading will be start and download file info will be appear in front of you. Simply click on start download and your downloading will be start. As you can see, my file is keep downloading as my net is quite slow. You can download Mozilla Firefox from Softonic, and from another way you simply go to my description link and click on description and just click on the link that I have provided in my description. From there you can simply open to the Softonic website, and you have to download this. My downloading had complete, as my downloading has done, so you can simply click on open folder. Yes, just go to the folder and simply close that tab, refresh your computer and just go to that setup and just right click on it and run as administrator. Here you can simply accept it and your file will start extracting. Simply click on yes, your file start extracting. Simply click on next. You can click on next for downloading Mozilla Firefox setup. So if you want to use setup a standard matlab install with the common options, or you may also go to custom. So I will go to standard because I love to use it. You may go to custom if you have no internet available. Otherwise you can go to standard. Simply click on next. And then I will not use it as my default browser because I am using Chrome for that. You can choose if you want. Simply click on install. Your Mozilla Firefox is installing offline. You don't have to download and install it from online. Simply click and finished. This is how you can download Mozilla Firefox offline, and it will be safe and does not cause any virus or interruption in downloading and problem in downloading. Simply click on Mozilla Firefox, double click on Mozilla Firefox. Here it will open. You can see it has same as you can download from online. Simply click. We can just follow its instruction node. Now I am turning it off. It to provide many options, as every website is improving day by day, so Mozilla Firefox will also improve itself day by day. You can see there is many tools or bars here. This is how you can download Mozilla Firefox. So if you like that video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any problem in downloading, and if you have any problem in any computer application downloading or installing, please comment below and subscribe my channel. I will try to help you. Thank you for watching.